Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be working on arithmetic lesson 127, and we're going to start working with our concept cards. So let's go ahead and review that. Make sure that you're saying the answer at home as I do them over here. So 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. 1 yard equals 36 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 37 degrees is the normal body temperature in Celsius. 100 degrees is the boiling point of water in Celsius. 0 degrees is the freezing point of water in Celsius. 98.6 is the normal body temperature in Fahrenheit. 212 degrees is the boiling point of water in Fahrenheit. 32 degrees is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit. Kilo means 1,000. Hecto, 100. Deca, 10. Milli, 1 over 1,000 or 0.001. Centi, 1 over 100 or 0.01. Deci, 1 over 10 or 0.1. This was our review for our concept cards. Let's now go over the lesson. So we're going to be working on dividing mixed fractions, dividing mixed numbers by fractions. So the first example that we have on the board is 6 3/4 divided by 9 over 10. The first thing that we need to do, and the rule that you guys have to memorize and remember, is that to divide a mixed number by a fraction, you need to change the mixed number into an improper fraction, and then you need to invert the divisor and multiply. So if we look here, our mixed number it would be 6 3/4, and our divisor is going to be 9 over 10. So the first thing that we are going to do is change the mixed number to an improper fraction. So how do we do that? The first thing that we need to do is that we need to multiply the whole number times the denominator and then add the numerator. So 6 times 4 plus 3 would be 27 over 4. And we said that we need to invert the divisor in order to multiply. So what it means is that we have to invert 9 over 10, and that would be 10 over 9. Before we multiply, we could simplify this fraction. So we know that 9 goes into 27 3 times. So we cancel this out and we have 1 and 3. So we say 3 times 10 is 30 over 4 times 1, which is 4. So our answer would be 30 over 4. Now let's do one of the class practice exercises. So exercise 3, letter A, we have 2 2/5 divided by 3/10. So the first thing that we do is that we change the mixed number into an improper fraction. So 2 times 5 plus 2 would be 12 over 5. And we invert the divisor, so we multiply that by 10 over 3. Again, we have to simplify the fraction. We know that 5 goes into 10 2 times, and that the 3 goes into the 12 4 times. So we multiply 4 times 2 is 8, and 1 times 1 is 1. So the answer to letter B would be 8. Exercise 3, letter B. The same thing again. We change this into an improper fraction. 4 times 2 plus 1 is going to give you 9 over 2. We invert the divisor, 6 over 1, and we simplify the fraction. So we know that 2 goes into 6, and that would be 3 times. So 9 times 3 would be 27. 1 times 1 is 1, and our answer to letter B would be 27. You're with me so far? Okay. Let's look at a story problem. It says, Chase bought a large bag of dog food for his dog Max. The bag contains 20 1/4 pounds, and Max eats 3/4 pounds each day. How many days will the bag of dog food last? So I already started making the fraction for you. So I have 20 1/4 divided by 3/4. So let's change the mixed number into an improper fraction. So if I multiply 20 times 4 and I add 1, that's going to give me 81 over 4 times 4 over 3. And I know that I could simplify this. 4 goes into 4 once, and 3 goes into 81 27 times. So now if I multiply 27 times 1, it would be 27. 1 times 1 is 1. It would be that the dog food is going to last 27 days. Make sure that you complete the worksheet for lesson 127. And this is all for today. Make sure that if you have any questions or any doubts, make sure to contact me. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.